Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be creating a Go Wild tracker, and if you don't know what Go Wild is, it's basically like this really huge planner conference that takes place once every year. And so I don't really know tons about it, so I'm not gonna act like I do, but I think it takes place in May of every year. Anyway, I do want to be able to attend, and I want to start saving for it. Now, I don't think I would like really go by myself, but I have some other like YouTube planner friends out there who are going to be attending or who are planning to attend, and so in which case I'll definitely attend with them. So I was thinking we could make some kind of savings tracker. So in my Erin Condren Deluxe monthly planner, there is this monthly bills dashboard, and it does have a savings tracker on the back, but I kind of want to use this for something else. So I was thinking that we could use one of these Stay Wild or Erin Condren sticker sheets. So last year the conference was held in Austin. This year it's going to be held in Las Vegas. Again, I don't really know tons about it. I just know like what I've been hearing. It's not like I have any inside scoop, but I do know that it's going to take place in Las Vegas. So I purchased this even though it was for this year's Go Wild conference that was held in Austin. So I was thinking we could still kind of like use some of these stickers and, you know, make it work. So anyway, that's what we're going to be doing today. Now I guess the tricky part would be figuring out where we want to put it. So I don't think I want to put it like in the months. I was thinking maybe we could put it back here. Well, what's this? Well, that's never mind. I'm all kind of maybe back here in one of the notes pages. Kind of using that for something, so maybe we'll start it, but I can't imagine I'm gonna run too far, so maybe we'll start it like here. Yeah, let's do that. So we're gonna start it right here. Okay, so here are the saving stickers that I was talking about. Again, these are from Etsy shop iArtisans. I do have a coupon code. I think it's SHAYM15, and you can save 15%. It's in the description box, so if that's not it, I'll like leave a comment to let you guys know what it actually is. But I'm pretty sure it's SHAYM15. So, of course, I think we want to put like this Stay Wild at the top. Okay, and then I think we might need the one at the bottom, but let's maybe use this. I don't think we want to use that. Let's use, I know we can do. Okay, let's do this. Okay, so let's do, what month is it? July. I don't think I'm actually going to save anything for July, to be quite honest. So let's skip to August. So we can just put one here for August. And then we'll put one for September. Okay, so I want to put like a Go Wild, like, let me see, what can we do here? Let me allow the creative juices to flow. I do want to do like a Go Wild. I do want to use this for total savings for sure, so I do want to put this down here in the corner. And then what do we want to do with this? Because this is too cute. Maybe we just won't use it. I mean, it's not like we have to use it, but yeah, we're going to use it because it's being weird. Let's just put it up here. Okay, so let's see what stickers we have over here. Kind of want to put one of these planners somewhere. Since it's like a planner. Oh no! My tassel came off. That's whatever. It's whatever. Kind of, since it's like a planner conference, I kind of want to put like, maybe I'll put 2 little. So I ripped off the other tassel purposely. Okay, so we can put our savings for I wonder, do we need to put like a line? Well, we don't need to do anything, but I wonder if we can put like a line down the page. Like here. Like that, and then we can put this over here, so that'll be like August savings. So I kind of want to take this off. No, we'll leave it. Kind of seems to clutter up some stuff. What do you guys think? I think this is cluttering up things, so we can kind of move those elsewhere. I'll figure out something to do with them. No worries there. And then I kind of want to move this up because this is bothering me. I don't know if this sticker's going to come up. Oh, yep, the sticker came up. I just want to move this up like right here. Okay, so there's our savings. Let's see. See if we need to add any of these. Maybe this. Oh man, where's the rest of my S? That sticker didn't do right. Let's try this one. Okay, maybe we'll do Go Wild, Stay Wild. Okay, so this is pretty much it. I don't really know that we need much else. It's already got plenty of, let's see, this is what we have left. But I think we're good to go. So I'll have to figure out what to do with these, because they're like, won't even stick to the page, so I'll have to figure out what to do with those. So yeah, this is our Go Wild savings tracker. I think it looks really good, you know, considering I just kind of whipped it together. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.